So, hello everyone, welcome to TUTORIEX. Let's talk about strings today. So this is my seventh video of this playlist, Python 101, and let's talk about strings. So first, let me do a few things. So we're gonna talk about strings. So let me make a string first. This Marvel, like the one I made before, that was released. And so okay, that's my string. I'm Iron Man. So string is like anything you put under single quotes or double quotes, anything, like anything. I mean, str1, even can put a number, that's an integer, but when you put it inside a single quotes or double quotes, anything. First one I put in a single quote, so this one I'm gonna put under double quotes. So both are strings. If you don't believe me, let me first run those cells. Type of Marvel, str, that's string. I think 6th video I told you about join and split function. Those are both applied in strings. So let's first talk about how you can access a character in string. So you can access a character in string by their indexes, and in Python or in any language, like first one is 0, then second one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. So how you do that? First write the name of the string, then you put a third bracket, and imagine I just want to access the first element, so I put 0 and enter. See, I is the first element, and if I want to access the 11th element, I put 10, and you see that's m's, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, that's m of that man. And another way you can access is like with the negative sign, like if you wanna access the last element, put -1. You see, you get that exclamation mark. So that's how you access characters. Now let's slice the strings up. Slicing. So slicing, how you can slice a string. Slice means like access some substrings inside a string. So I'll just show you how. Imagine you okay, let's just do Marvel here. Let's say you want to access those first 1, 2, 3, 4 characters from the string. It's like a substring. So how you do that? You do that using a colon. So Marvel 0 to 4, as I said a while back, starts with 0. So 0 to 4 and enter. You see, I am 0 to 4. And another things I'm gonna say, if you just leave the first digit blank and then write 4, so it takes default as 0, so you get the same output. And another thing, Marvel, and let's say you write the last digit blank, so 0 to blank, Iron Man, so it took default as like whole string. How many is this? 1, 2. Let's put the length of the string. So length of Marvel 14. So it took like 14 or 15, 14 there. So it printed all the characters. So let's just say you wanna print characters, but you wanna jump between the characters. So how you jump? Marvel, and let's just keep it blank, so it gonna access all the characters. Okay, let's just do first character for you to understand. First to 10th character, and I'll put another colon and put 2 here. So when you run it, so what is happening? So let's do it from here. So you see, first character is printed, then second character is a space, so space isn't printed because I put 2 here, so it's gonna directly jump to third character, which is A. So you see A is printed, then there's m, so it's gonna ignore m, then there is space, so space is printed, then I is ignored, R is printed, O is ignored, N is printed. You get the idea, right? So that's how you do jumping. And another thing, how you reverse the string, right? So how you reverse the string is so easy. So Marvel, and I'll gonna put blank colon blank, that means whole string, and you put -1 here. So then out, so you see reverse of that stuff, whatever it's written there, that's the reverse of that string. So that's all how you slice and dice a string. And now we're going to talk about some string functions, sorry, methods applied in strings. So I already told you about two methods, split and join. You can convert string to list and list to string. And now I'm gonna talk about very interesting some stuff. So let me say I'm Iron Man. So upper and lower, what is upper and lower? I'll just show you how you can write the method. You just first write the name of the string, then put dot and do upper like that, and bracket open, bracket close. So you see I am Iron Man, all the stuff are like in uppercase. And how you do lower, Marvel dot lower. So you see all the stuff in lower characters. So that's one useful function. And you can search so many methods online in online documentation. I'll just show you some useful that it comes in handy. So another one is Marvel dot find. It's a find method. Oh gosh, Marvel dot find, and you put like, I don't know, man. So it's a 10th, that means it's gonna give the index number. Like look carefully, I 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So that is the index of M. You see man, index of 10. So it starts with M, right? So that it's giving you the index 10, which is 10. And another useful function is Marvel dot replace. So what it does, of course, replace. So what you're gonna replace, just give it here. I am, let's replace iron, comma, with spider. So print I'm Spider-Man. So I think that's all the useful function. And there's so many functions you can find there, like there's so many you can find on official documentation. So see you guys next time. Bye bye.